Okay, let's look at paraphernalia. Paraphernalia, peculiar, and pejorative. Yeah. Peculiar, so paraphernalia. Noun, things needed to do a certain action. We need some paraphernalia for the party. We need different kinds of paraphernalia to go for a picnic, for camping, to study this, to do that. Just things in general. Paraphernalia. What paraphernalia do we need when we're going on a road trip? What kind of stuff do I need? This, that, this, all sorts of things. Sleeping bag, boots, raincoats, and beyond. How cool is that? And peculiar. Adjective. Doing something that is not expected or normal. Very peculiar. This book is very peculiar. Very peculiar. Okay. Okay. He was a peculiar person in the morning. He is always a peculiar person. He's strange. 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 That's a strange thing to say. That's a peculiar thing to say. That's a peculiar thing to do. Most peculiar. And pejorative. Pejorative. Adjective. Showing dislike or dissatisfaction. Dislike. Ugh. And dissatisfaction. No. Not happy. Not happy about something and not satisfied. Not satisfied. Oh, no. No, thank you. Not satisfied. Yeah. That was a very pejorative article. That was a very pejorative thing to say. Yeah. How cool is that? So, paraphernalia, noun. Peculiar. Peculiar thing to say. Adjective. And pejorative. Dislike or dissatisfaction. Adjective. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.